What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shavon here with a shoe review Sunday. Now today we got the Grateful Deads in the orange version, and I just want to say a huge thanks to Artem Yeezy for sending these out. Now before I start, I just want you guys to know these are UA versions, meaning they're unauthorized, so the links for these will be down below in the description. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a quick unboxing of these shoes. We're gonna try them on, and you basically guys gonna see what they look like up close and personal, and also with a few different fits. So without any further ado, let's jump on to the unboxing. Alright guys, so this is the box we get. Very colorful Nike SB box on the side, like a Jamaican flag low key. Shout out Jamaica. Then we also have the sizing right here, suggested retail pricing at the very bottom of the box. This is what it looks like. And remember, these are UA versions, just to get that out there again, because a lot of you guys keep saying that in the comments. But boom, there we go. So we have this nice plastic wrap right here, and then we have the shoes. So as I said before, these are a collab with the Grateful Dead band, if you guys don't know them. And there we have the iconic bear that represents the Grateful Dead. And these shoes actually look really dope. We have a suede material around this side, and also on the toe box we literally have some teddy bear fur, and it's actually soft to the touch. I'm not sure if you guys can see how soft this is. Then we also have that green Nike swoosh. Very high quality right here, I'm not gonna lie. The Nike logo at the back, the bottom of the shoes looks good. Nike SB logo, boom. And then of course inside, we have the zip. So we have a secret pocket stash. You could store anything you want to. I don't know what you guys want to keep in here, but you have a deep pocket, very deep pocket where you could store anything inside. Then you could just zip them back up, of course. And these zips, I'm not sure if it's YKK or not, but zips are good. We have the Grateful Dead inside here, as you can see. Now let's take this out. The insoles, but as you can see, we have all the different colors. So these are all the colors. The shoes comes in 4 different colors: pink, blue, yellow, green, and orange. If you guys spot any differences from these UAs compared to the authentic ones, let me know down below in the comments as well. But so far, these look amazing. Let's jump on to see what they look on feet. Thanks for making it to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed that unboxing and review of the Grateful Deads, don't forget to check the link down below in the description to purchase these shoes from Artem Yeezy. Alright, also I think there will be a discount code down there as well. But yeah, thanks for tuning in to today's video. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys want to see next, and also don't forget to subscribe and also follow my Instagram at ShavonSalmon_. All links down below in the description. Let's get it. Let's go. As always, guys, love. Let me do it. Love, peace, and sneaks. Signing out.